to introduce myself. My name is Hughes, the Definition of walking on Single Odawa and Dow. G-Jack and Dodo. My name is Joe VanAlstine. I'm from the Little Charge Bay Bands with Odawa Indians and Crane Clan. So that's just for some of my Anishinaabe people out here as well. In our culture, that could go much longer, and it would take up the whole 5 minutes, so I'll just cut it off at that. So, as she said, I am the Vice President of the National Association of Food Distribution Programs, and with that, food distribution is a sister to the SNAP program. It's an alternative to SNAP on Indian reservations. With that, we have a food package that has about 83 different food items in it. And so when tribal citizens come to us, we'll go and do their application, make sure that they're not receiving SNAP benefits, and they come to us and we will give them a food package. The food package is fresh fruit and vegetables, canned foods, juices, frozen meats, and it used to be really bad. If I were to say commodities, a lot of people would be like, ugh, gross, commodities, meat, canned. But over the last 20 years, there's been a lot of work within inside the USDA and NAFDPR to improve this food package for the tribal citizens, because as most of you know, inside of the tribal communities, diabetes and obesity run rampant throughout our communities, and for us to change that, we had to look at our food. And when we went to the reservation system, we lost our ability to, fish for our own food, farm for our own food, and we had to become dependent upon the government. So some of us decided to go ahead and start making these changes within the government. That's why NAFDPR was created, the Food Package Review Work Group was created, and we started making policy changes within the USDA and the government. So here to talk about the 2018 Farm Bill. The 2018 Farm Bill is the second largest bill that the government produces behind the Department of Defense at $428 billion. Of that $428 billion, 75% of that is the nutrition title. And within that nutrition title is FDPIR, and out of that FDPIR funding is $150 million, which now is shrinking a little bit. But so with that, with the FDPIR, one of the things that we do, and we all understand, is that there's 526 federally recognized tribes within the United States. And of that, I represent 276, but we're all different. We're not all the same tribe. We don't all live in teepees and wigwams, and we don't all eat the same food. And so the USDA is a equal opportunity employer provider. So they think we should all eat the exact same thing. And that doesn't work for us, right? For us in our community, especially when this woman here talks about, food is medicine, and the food that we eat. We can talk later about that, because I'm with you on that. So with that, we were like, the tribes are arguing, say, no, we don't want that. That's not what we want to eat. So in the USDA would say, no, this is what you have to eat. You all eat this. So we were like, how do we solve this problem? So we got our tribal leaders involved. Next thing you know, we're like, let's talk about the Farm Bill. The Farm Bill had 103 different provisions that we fought for, and we got 68 of those provisions passed. That was amazing for Indian country. So with that, the biggest one was 638 contracting. And that is for us to have the ability to go ahead and supply the food that we want for ourselves, and not have the USDA dictate to us exactly what we are going to eat or how we're going to eat it. We did add traditional foods into the food package. That would be manoma, which is wild rice, bison, blue cornmeal, lamb is coming in next month. These are traditional foods that are in the food package, right, that we would never see, because they just wanted us to eat and chicken and canned meat and canned beef, and that doesn't do our bodies healthy. So, but they're trying. But with this 638 contract, it actually gives the tribe the money to go out and produce and get that food from their local farms. So I think 638 contracting will be very important. We do have a bill going through Congress right now. This is a pilot project for $5 million, and Congress authorized the pilot project. Our tribal leaders have been working to get this through, and they've only so far have a $3 million bill going through. So, I'm here to work to try to get that up to the full $5 million, which is supposed to be. And so if you know anyone who wants to help. And let's go back to actually, let's go back to food on farms. I heard, well, you know, because I also share our 300-acre farm at home as well. And so, but to be able to bring that $100,000 back into my community is wonderful for the farm. Not just for our farm, but other local farms within the Grand Traverse region. So, be wedged.